A barbecue sauce sweetener secret. Elevate your flavor. The secret sauce mistake that's changing how you taste barbecue. When it comes to crafting the perfect barbecue sauce from scratch, there's one critical detail that often gets overlooked: the balance of sweetness. While some barbecue sauces are naturally sugary, others rely on careful seasoning to achieve the right flavor profile. But here's where it gets controversial. Many home cooks end up oversweetening their sauce, which can ruin the delicate balance of savory, smoky, and tangy notes that define authentic barbecue. However, the real challenge lies in figuring out the perfect sweetener to enhance flavor without overpowering the dish. According to James Beard Award finalist Greg Gatlin, the founder of Gatlin's Barbecue and Gatlin's Fins Feathers, the key to unlocking a delicious barbecue sauce lies in selecting the right sweetener. White sugar is a go-to for many, but it's not the only option, Gatlin explains. Brown sugar with its molasses content adds depth and richness that white sugar simply can't match. This debate over sweeteners isn't just about taste, it's about technique. Brown sugar, for instance, provides a more complex flavor profile due to its higher molasses content, which acts as a natural preservative and enhances the sauce's umami notes. But what if you're aiming for a lighter, sweeter sauce? Gatlin advises using brown sugars sparingly, emphasizing that moderation is key. If you're looking for a more sweet sauce, go with brown sugar and add it liberally, he says. It creates a more dynamic and satisfying finish. Yet, even with the best sweeteners, there's a catch. White sugar, while versatile, lacks the depth and complexity needed to elevate a sauce beyond a basic condiment. White sugar isn't the ideal choice for barbecue sauce because it's relatively uncomplex, Gatlin explains. It doesn't contribute the same level of richness or depth that brown sugar does. This distinction is crucial for those who want to experiment with different flavor profiles. For example, maple syrup or straight molasses can also add a richer, more distinct taste while thickening the sauce, making it more appealing to barbecue enthusiasts. So when it comes to sweetening your BBQ sauce, the question isn't just what sweetener to choose, but how much. Gatlin adds, if you're aiming for a more savory dish, use white sugar in moderation. It gives the other savory components a chance to shine without overwhelming the sauce. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a backyard barbecue enthusiast, mastering the art of sweetening your sauce is a skill worth honing. After all, the perfect barbecue sauce isn't just about flavor. It's about creating a memorable experience that brings people together.